This is a program we have done. It called Unity Bondes UTM. This program was prepared by Muhammad Akmal bin Zulkarnain, Muhammad Nur Adi bin Zaidi, Muhammad Shafiq bin Fulani, and Muhammad Fahirin bin Abdul Sharif. First of all, the student of UKQE 3001 Section 2 by Group 5 is organizing this event to develop solidarity among all students at UTM. Meanwhile, this program also could help the student to become an excellent leader by discovering the talents, expand their networking and gain new knowledge. An objective for this program is to form unity among all students in University of Technology Malaysia, to sharpen their soft skill to become an excellent leader, to nurture them with teamwork skill as team member and leader. This program is also done to improve the identity of UTM students. However, there are 3 issues related to weakness of UTM graduate attribute. The first is leadership and teamworking skill. The student is lack of teamwork among students, prefer to work individually, difficult time surviving in the workplace. And the second is adaptability. The student need more time to adjust to new situation, will slow down their growing progress, and the future operating world will continue to change and time will not wait for us. And the last one is thinking skill. The student is hard time making a decision. Student rely on leader the bulk of time, must be able to make a well-informed decision that will not harm and others.
For the tentative program, the program only last one day was held on 15 December 2020. All students gathered at KTC office, block S01 as early as 6:30 am for depart to Port Dickson, and we arrived around 9 am. Then, organizer provide breakfast and brief rule and regulation the program. Then, students go for our first activity such as design a bridge and design a castle, which require value such as leadership, thinking skill, teamworking skill, and adaptability. Next, we take a break for lunch and Zuhur prayer at 1 p.m. Then students continue the program at 2:30 p.m. by prize giving ceremony for the group winner for the activity 1. After that, students continue second activity, which is beach game, like beach volleyball and beach soccer. This activity required the ability to work together, thinking skill, and leadership to win it. By 6 p.m., students will be break for Asar prayer and dinner that already provided by organizer, which is barbecue dinner. After finish, we go for Maghrib prayer and prepare for going back to UTM. We depart safely at UTM around 10 p.m.
As for our budget, as you can see here, this one is the list of our expenses, which include foods and drinks, barbecue, asset, prices, induction, and the total price of all those expenses will be 3,750. So for our income, first we go from the group funds, which is 1,700, and from our sponsorship equal to 1,000, and from HEMA is will be 1,050. So next we proceed to the organizer committee. So from the director, they will be initiating and setting goals for program. Also, they will be planning the program from start to the competition involving deadlines and processes, and also developing or approving budgets and operations. So as for the deputy director, they will be responsible for planning, directing, and managing the activities of management, technical personnel, administrative procedure, and management. As for our secretary, they will be managing agenda and arrange meeting. They will also preparing and disseminating correspondence, memos, and form. And last, for our treasurer position, there will be financial planning and budgeting. Moving on to our activity. So for the activity, there will be a plan and handle all activities for the program tentative. Then we will ensure the program runs smoothly. As for the technical and logistic, they will manage the PA system, manage all needs and requests from all EXCO, and also arrange transportation for students from UTM to the program venue. As for the safety rules, they will be responsible for ensuring the environmental program site is safe and harmonious for students, and also monitor the quality of service and cleanliness of food and beverage which will be provided to the student. As for the food and beverage, we will prepare all the foods for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So last for the organizer community, our special force and souvenir, they will provide souvenir for VIPs and prize winning students. Also handle in make opening and closing ceremony gimmicks. Also create name tags for the entire organization so the student will know. And also provide shirts designed for crew and participant. As for our protocol, they will be ensure the program running smoothly. They will organize the ceremony and will contact each of the program at school. And the last role is multimedia and publicity. They will make a multimedia presentation of the program, also provide a slideshow about the organization, and also for the poster. And last, they will invite and promote the program to each of the students.
First survey, we ask the student to give their opinion about leadership skill amongst the student. and 97% of students said yes, and 3% of students say no. We can conclude that most of the students realize that the leadership skill is very important for them. For our second survey, would the student be interested in joining our program? 88% of the students said yes, and 12% of the students said no. We can conclude that the 88% of the student is interested in joining our program because of they can learn a lot about the leadership skills. For third survey, do you agree that UTM graduate attributes are very important towards UTM students? As you can see in the pie chart, most of the students vote strongly agree that UTM students is important for them to learn about UTM graduate attribute. This shows that UTM graduate attribute have a big impact to the students. Next slide is the importance of the graduate attributes. For thinking skills, help us in making sound choices, comprehending the consequences of our act and resolving issues, and encouraging curiosity. For adaptability, aids students in easily adjusting to the new circumstances, cultures, and systems, as well as learning new skills, working without limits, and being open to new and different solutions to problems and challenges. For leadership and team working skill, leadership is a critical management role that aids in maximizing productivity and achieving organizational objective, teaching us essential communication and social skills, such as active listening and effective speaking, demonstrate an ability to work effectively with others. Leadership is needed to ensure that everyone on the team is pulling in the same direction and striving for the same end.
As a conclusion, we will be pleased to organize this program with full of blessings. We are grateful and thankful for sponsorship and budget, and students can grab as much quality of the attribute as they can.